Two giant wireless rivals. One burning question. Which one really delivers? On the left, Verizon. Premium coverage with powerful perks. And on the right, Mint Mobile. Super Saver Wireless, lightning fast speeds. Let's skip the buzzwords and see what these plans actually offer. Each category earns points, so by the end, you'll know exactly which provider comes out on top. The winner for 2025 might not be the one you expect. Check this out. We're going to break it down by price, coverage and reliability, data speed and performance, features and perks, and flexibility and contracts. So grab your mental notepad because every category's got its own drama and a clear winner. All right, first up, let's talk price. So, Verizon, it's basically the Ritz-Carlton of wireless, which means, yeah, the monthly bill kind of hurts. Taxes and surcharges sneak in, and you're looking at noticeably higher costs. Families or anyone looking to bundle, there are discounts, but if you're rolling solo or just want basic, honestly, prepare your wallet. Now, flip to Mint Mobile. Oh, wow. It's like sticker shock in the opposite direction. $15 to $30 a month is wild for unlimited, but here's the thing. It's all prepaid. You pay a chunk up front, sometimes for the whole year. You don't get family discounts or military deals, but if you just want cheap and clear pricing with no surprises, Mint seriously wins this round. Now let's get into coverage and reliability. With Verizon, you get that insane nationwide spread. Rural zones, driving cross-country, packed stadiums, Verizon's got you. And when things get crowded, they actually prioritize your data. Only snag is that ultra-wideband 5G, it's still kind of spotty in most places. Mint, on the other hand, rides on T-Mobile's network. Speeds are pretty great in cities and suburbs, but head out to the sticks and you might drop to 0 bars. Also, when everyone's online at once, Mint users can get the digital cold shoulder. So, for anyone not living right in a major metro, Verizon definitely takes this one. Okay, data speed and performance. Here's something cool. Verizon pushes some gnarly speeds if you're in those 5G pockets. I'm talking up to 634 megabits per second, and hotspot limits that almost feel endless on premium plans. But basic plans? They do pinch you with video streaming caps stuck at 720p. Mint cranks out fast T-Mobile 5G and gives you unlimited hotspot, but like real talk, it's capped at 10 gigabytes. Video quality is always kind of meh, just 480p. And if you burn through tons of data, they slow you down once you cross 35 gigabytes. Both are quick, but each has some quirks, so honestly, it's a tie for sheer performance. Oh, and here's something fun that not everyone knows. Mint Mobile was actually bought by Ryan Reynolds. Yep, the Ryan Reynolds. So if you want wireless with a little bit of Hollywood spark, features and perks, let's spill the tea. With Verizon, you get all the bells, streaming service bundles, trade-in offers, discounts for military and students, even retail stores you can walk into. Traveling to Canada or Mexico is easy, but then most of the perks? Locked behind those pricier plans. Mint Mobile keeps it simple. Calls to Mexico and Canada are free, and the app is super easy to manage your line, but no discounts for families, no fancy loyalty deals, and roaming overseas is pretty limited. So, if you're all about extras, Verizon wins by a mile. Last, flexibility and contracts. Here, Verizon doesn't lock you into a contract for the service itself, which is cool. But device deals? You gotta commit, sometimes for years, and if you bail early, expect termination fees. Lots of phone choices, though. Now, Mint, no contracts, like at all. You pay up front, yes, and you bring your own phone, but there's even a 7-day trial if you want to test the waters. If total flexibility is your jam, Mint just nails it. Visualizing everything, you'll see Verizon dominating on coverage and perks, but Mint pulling ahead on price and flexibility. Performance? It's surprisingly close. Here's the verdict. If you want to save the most, you're not worried about family plans, and you live in the city, go Mint Mobile. That's the move. But if you want big coverage, tons of perks, and you're splitting the plan with a bunch of people or need strong rural service, Verizon's tough to beat. Craving more wireless breakdowns? Or want to be the cell plan hero in your group? Hit follow for the next matchup, because smart savings are where it's